Alright, hey guys, this little compartment down here drives me crazy. Everything trickles down to it. It doesn't matter what I put in there. Everything just gets down in here and it gets completely nasty. And I came out last night and I've done a little rearranging. I was cleaning it up, and I'd seen the piece that goes in here to block that off, but it's not worth spending money on. It was just one of the things I got to thinking about. I had an old piece of cardboard. I took some felt, just a piece of, felt that I found somewhere, glued to that piece of cardboard, and now I don't have to worry about that anymore. You can put ink pens and all that other stuff down there, stuff that, falls, that you don't have to have all the time, but you like to keep up with. Yeah, cost me nothing but 10 minutes, not even that. I thought that was pretty cool. Now, no more falling through the cracks. And versus something, spending money ordering one off Amazon or somewhere like that. I mean, for me, that's going to work great. When it gets wet, when something falls through it, then maybe I'll order the other one. And this is just a cardboard end off a box with the felt. Nothing fancy, but when you put it in there, it doesn't look bad at all. All good. So, anyway, I figured I'd share that with you guys.